Sri Lanka's forests have a secret: owls. There are 11 species in the country. Join us as we take an intimate look at these elusive nocturnal species of Sri Lanka. The first owl in this episode is the chestnut-backed owlet, found only in Sri Lanka. This little owl is similar to the jungle owlet and is found largely in wet zone jungles. Like the jungle owlet, this bird is also diurnal and is often heard calling and hunting in daylight. This is a juvenile chestnut-backed owlet and isn't quite ready to fly. Instead, it spends idle hours preening and moving from branch to branch. Due to their fixed forward-directed eyes, young owls tend to sway and rotate their heads to focus on objects of interest. The next owl is the oriental scops owl, a common breeding resident in Sri Lanka. This bird has two color morphs and is found in the dry lowlands to mid-hills. When alert, owls adjust their body to camouflage it as a branch. Here we see the bird adopt a similar posture. This pose is enacted by tightening the body feathers along with the feathers of its facial disc, forehead, and crown, which gives the appearance of an upright branch. The oriental scops owl is largely a forest dweller and can sometimes be seen in wet zone rainforests too. The super elusive bay owl is a rare breeding resident found in the wet zone. It is a shy forest bird and strictly nocturnal. It's quite challenging to spot one in the wild. The last bird for today is the brown wood owl, an uncommon breeding resident in the country. This large brown owl is found throughout the island, though it is rare to see one. These are juvenile brown wood owls. Most nests are found in large cavities of big trees, such as this one. Wood owls are known to be quite courageous when protecting their young. At night, the baby owls wait eagerly for their mother to return after hunting. Their diet consists largely of small mammals such as rats and mice. It is also worth noting that owls provide a great service to mankind by destroying such vermin. Join us again soon as we take a look at more owls from Sri Lanka.